Your iPad's home screen can be arranged how you want. This video will describe arranging apps and creating app folders. To arrange apps, tap and hold any open space on the home screen. All of the app icons on your home screen will jiggle. To select the app you want to move, press and hold on the app icon. Then, drag the icon to any position on the home screen or dock. You can do this for each app that you want to move. To create an app folder, drag one app icon on top of another. You can add more app icons by dragging them into the folder. To name the folder, tap on the folder name while it is open. To finish, tap Done in the top right corner of the screen, or tap on any open space on the home screen.